Hey everyone, this is Alpaco, and I wanted to talk a little bit about the Olympus 14-42 and the Olympus WCON-P01. This isn't really a review, it's more of a discussion about kit lenses and this wide-angle adapter. If you are looking for a review for this kit lens, I'd recommend watching Rob Treck's video of this lens. It's really detailed and honestly really fantastic. This was actually one of the first lenses I ever got for the Micro Four Thirds mount. I got it with the Olympus EP1, which I sold that camera a long time ago, but kept this lens because I wanted something pocketable to test out cameras that I'd buy used from other people online, from like Craigslist or something like that. I'm finally selling it though, and I guess this video is also a way to say goodbye and thank you for your service. I don't have a need for this lens anymore. I don't have a need to buy lenses off of Craigslist, so it just kind of has to go. About the lens itself, it's quite lightweight. The lens is 111 grams, and with the converter, it's about 195 grams. The price of this lens I've found to fall between $30 to about $50 used. So I think brand new, it's probably about $100. The Olympus wide-angle converter, though, is a bit trickier to find used. I was lucky enough to find this one used for about $60, but brand new, it falls between $100 and $120. If you do end up getting this lens adapter though, and then grabbing a used lens, the total would fall between $150, $160, which is still cheap for a wide-angle lens with continuous autofocus. And that's especially useful if you're doing video or vlogging, which I think this is actually a perfect starting setup for vloggers and photographers that want to shoot wide-angle photos. I wouldn't recommend using this for paid jobs or anything. It's sharp enough for personal things and beginners where you really want to concentrate on the basics. If you pick up an Olympus EM5 Mark II, that would be a perfect vlogging package that would fall less than about $350. And actually, if you grab the EM10 Mark II, this lens usually comes with it. And I've seen that camera and lens go for under $200. That still shoots 1080p video with decent autofocus. It doesn't have the flip screen, but the EM10 Mark II is a fantastic camera that you really should consider checking out if you are trying this whole camera thing out. It's the same sensor as the EM5 Mark II and the GH3. It has IBIS, which works in video. Yes, Olympus started the IBIS in camera trend. The EM10 is a smaller and lighter body with amazing features. I highly recommend checking out Peter Forsgard's video about the EM10 Mark II for some of the quality you can get out of it. There is some chromatic aberrations and purple fringing, but again, it's a very cheap lens, and I've seen a lot of great images from much more talented photographers out there using simple kit lenses. I wish I had images to share, but the hard drive that I kept all my older photos crashed a bit ago, so I apologize for not having anything up. The main point I really wanted to try to make was simply that kit lenses, especially ones that have been made in the last 10 years, are all good. It's hard to find too much fault in them when you have so much technology to be able to fix and change any images you want with any camera and any lens combinations. The only thing that really stops you from getting a fantastic image is your head. Don't jump to getting the best lens for your system. You don't really need it yet. Learn what you can with what you have and move up from there. Or don't. It's your money and you can honestly do what you want with it. I hope you found this helpful in some way. Thanks for watching and have a great day.